Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Curb app. So let's get started. So let's open the Curb app. So basically, this Curb app is for your delivery and taxi and other things. So you can just click on sign up and you can just sign up with your account. If you have ID, then you can just log in into the app. So basically, this app for the taxi, you can just put your location, another location. You can just like request a taxi. Then when you will just sit, you have to give the OTP to the driver, and you can just pay and you can use it. So by this way, you can do it. And if you have any question related to this app, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.